In this video, I'll show you how you can force quit applications on your OnePlus Watch 4. Now all you have to do is press the crown button from the watch face, press the crown button, and then from here scroll down and tap on the settings application, tap on it, and then scroll down and find apps and notifications, tap on that, and then scroll down and find app info, select that, and then you should see a list of all the available applications that are currently running on your watch face. So you can scroll down and find the application that you'd like to stop. Or alternatively, you can tap on the system apps and find the one that you'd like to close. So you can scroll through and find the application that you'd like to stop, okay? So let's say, for instance, if you want to stop YouTube music, you can simply tap on it, and then you can see the option force stop. This will forcefully close that application. Simply tap on that, and then you should see this warning, app function may not function properly. Simply tap on the check mark, and you should have, and now you will successfully force close that application. You can repeat the same steps for all the other applications that you'd like to forcefully quit. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.